Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Winkley here at Tulip, and we are talking to aerospace and defense companies about how they can run their operations better. And what I want to show you here today is a quick demonstration what an operator's experience could be in simulating that with a small drone assembly. So what we're going to do is we're going to accept one of our work orders. It's been issued from our ERP system. And what we're demonstrating now is a picking operation in which we're actually connected to a lot of the hardware on the bench. So specifically, we have a pick-to-light system and a guided picking process, which is going to reduce the error of consuming a wrong part on your bill of material. As we continue forward, what we're going to see is some rich guided work instructions. This is designed to really meet the operator where they are and provide the kind of like rich context and rich media that people are often used to in their personal lives, but don't often experience at their job in putting together these components. Finally, we're demonstrating integration directly to a torque tool. What this is going to do is ensure that the torque value applied to the nuts that are holding these propellers to the drone are going to be accurate. You're not going to have any over tightening event. And it's a confirmation that all four of the nuts that you had picked in the previous operation are actually going to be included with this drone assembly. And then finally, quality is one of the most important facets for aerospace and defense companies. So what we want to do is we want to ensure all of our quality inspection steps are not just done, but they're actually done right. Data is collected in a much more meaningful, easy way. And so we're weighing the drone, which is a critical parameter for this particular assembly. The weighing is going to be connected directly to the scale so that we can ensure it's done every time and it's accurate. It also is a value, being a critical parameter, that we're going to want to record. We're going to want to trend, try to understand if we're starting to deviate in any direction, potentially preventing a out of specification condition. And then finally, again, critical requirement for all of the companies that we're talking to today is really ensuring that we have that full digital history and that full audit trail. We want to make sure that we have a as-built configuration that represents that exact serial number of this drone that is being shipped out so that we can review these historical records should we ever need to, and ensure every inspection's done, every material is accounted for, and we understand who did what when on this particular assembly.